Hello, I'm Jillian and today I'm going to be talking to you about a new recipe that I put together just this week. This one is very high in fiber, high in antioxidants, high in other minerals, and this smoothie is particularly refreshing. So as we are getting closer and closer to summer and the weather is getting hotter, I highly recommend this smoothie for refreshment. The ingredients included are very good for your skin. They will help you to achieve that beautiful radiant glow, and they're going to refine your skin tone as well. If you're looking to lose a little bit of weight, this is also a very good recipe to include in your daily habits. You could replace breakfast, you could replace lunch with this one. And if you did this regularly, it would definitely help you to lose some weight. It is ultimately very cleansing and detoxifying and absolutely refreshing. I'm going to show you how I put it together. So let's get to work. So now for this super green antioxidant rich smoothie, we're going to use bananas, spinach, celery, cucumber, and avocado, all of which are organic. So now we're going to start with the banana. I'm going to use one whole medium-sized banana. I'm just going to peel it down. So now bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals and high in antioxidants, and they can help you lose weight. Now these high fiber fruits can make you feel full and satisfied. So we're just going to chop them down into smaller pieces before we put them into the blender. Now the blender that I'm using here is about a 600 milliliter. And now on to the cucumber. So be sure the cucumber is washed. I'm just going to use about half a medium cucumber or 1/4 of a large one. I'm going to chop it down into smaller pieces. So cucumbers are really nourishing, high in antioxidants, and it's quite hydrating as well. They make a nice addition to the smoothie. They keep it quite sweet tasting, and their taste is not very strong either. And now we're going to use half an avocado. So I'm just going to scoop it out here with a spoon. Avocados make a filling addition to any meal or snack. They're high in fiber and will keep you fuller and more satisfied for longer. Now these are a top protein food, great for building lean muscle mass and for burning body fat. And now onto the celery. I'm just going to remove the leaves up here at the top. And I'm just going to cut it down to small pieces before we throw it into our blender. Keep in mind, the banana and the avocado are going to add a really nice creamy texture. And now we're going to move on to the spinach. Be sure that this is washed and organic as well. I'm just going to remove the stems, roll it up for chopping down, which makes it much easier. Now spinach is rich in antioxidants and high in iron as well. This is an amazing superfood to add to any smoothie. Right, so I'm just going to add some water. Now you can use rice milk or you can use oat milk, and I'm just using water for now. I'm going to add the blender. We're going to mix it up. And now look at that luscious green color. Just going to pour it down into the glass. I recommend adding chia seeds to this if you have them. Also, cinnamon can add a really nice touch to this as well. And there we are. Lovely green smoothies to power up your breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date with new content every week. Please leave a comment below because I would love to hear from you and to know your thoughts. Thank you again. Until next time, ciao!